Hey! So today I feel okay, start over. Okay. Today my mom yesterday my mom bought pancake mix. So I was like, let's make this. Gosh. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Am I good at cooking? But I thought it would be good to practice with okay. I've made a pancake, but I didn't make for like a long time already. I think I forgot. I'm gonna do it. So first, this imperial pancake mix inside. Okay, let's read. Just add eggs and milk. Okay. Okay. What do I need? Okay. Imperial pancake mix, 200 grams. Milk, 180 ml. 180. Next. 1 egg. Now we have what we need, I think. Yep. Okay. First step. Blend egg, milk, and pancake mix until homogeneous? Whatever. And leave for 15 minutes. Do you guys leave for 15 minutes? I don't. I'm just like, yeah, that's how I roll. Anyway, let's change the camera. Okay, what was the first step? Alright. Gosh. First, we have to wash the egg. Let's wash it. Done. Should I put the egg or the thing? Let's put this. So, we can see the eggshell and stuff. This looks so cute. Am I doing this right? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Okay. Done. Shit. Okay, the egg seems weird. Now mix. Next is milk. 180. Oh shit. It's a new milk. Just saying. Ta-da! I like milk. If you guys know what I mean. I'm joking. Okay. Let's put some salt. Okay, now next is putting this. Feels like I have cocaine or something. Oh, no, cocaine. Smells so good. And while I'm making this, I am chatting with my boyfriend. Oh my god, can you guys see this? I love you. Next step is pour on the greased hot fry pan. Fry until bubbles appear and edge begins to dry. My way, I don't know what to do because there's two ways we can do this. One, actually use a fry pan. Two, I can use a rice cooker. Rice cooker do much more better than me frying. Let's do the rice cooker. Is this okay? It says that we have to wait for 10 minutes. Chops. Let's talk about something. What my boyfriend don't let me do. Come on, massage him. Once I did it, and then I was just joking. I just made it hard. I was joking for real. And since then, he's like, that's all. Second thing, don't let me put makeup on him. Stuff like boyfriend do my makeup stuff. Share new knowledge. But I think it's better to not touch his eye or eyeball. I want to put some salt.
엽떡이 6은
Oh shit, I can't do it. Shit, 10 minutes. Let's cook it. So, my lollipop is in the way. So let's start. The fuck? Oh, click. Yay! Pancake! Looks like a cake! Oh, god damn it. First of all, I put all of them in one. My mistake. I flipped it over and do it again. Oh shit! Tim! Oh my god! Okay, wait. Wait. There you go. Ta-da! So, there you go. I made a pancake looking pancake-ish thing.